Have you ever felt paralyzed by fear or overwhelmed by anxiety? It's a common human experience, but it doesn't have to control your life. Today, we're going to explore how Stoic philosophy can provide practical strategies for overcoming fear and anxiety. By understanding the nature of fear and anxiety, challenging our perceptions, and cultivating resilience, we can break free from the chains of these debilitating emotions. First step: understanding fear and anxiety. Fear and anxiety are often intertwined, but they're not the same. Fear is a natural response to a perceived threat, like a lion approaching you in the wilderness. Anxiety, on the other hand, is a more generalized state of unease, often triggered by uncertainty or the anticipation of future threats. Stoic perspective. The Stoics believed that negative emotions, like fear and anxiety, arise from our judgments about events. It's not the event itself that causes the disturbance, but our interpretation of it. For example, imagine losing your job. While losing your job is undoubtedly challenging, it's your interpretation of the event, as a disaster or a new opportunity, that determines your emotional response. Second step: the role of perception. Cognitive distortions. Cognitive distortions, like catastrophizing and overgeneralization, can fuel fear and anxiety. Catastrophizing involves exaggerating the negative consequences of an event, while overgeneralization involves drawing broad conclusions based on a single incident. For example, if you fail a test, catastrophizing might lead you to believe that you're a complete failure, while overgeneralization might lead you to believe that you'll never succeed in anything. Stoic perspective. The Stoics emphasize the importance of challenging our perceptions and adopting a more rational outlook. By questioning our assumptions and seeking alternative perspectives, we can break free from the grip of cognitive distortions. Third step: Stoic techniques for overcoming fear. Acceptance. Acceptance is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Instead of fighting against negative emotions, we should accept them as part of the human experience. This doesn't mean that we should passively resign ourselves to our emotions, but rather that we should acknowledge their presence without letting them control our lives. Negative visualization. Negative visualization is a powerful tool for preparing ourselves for potential challenges. By imagining the worst-case scenario, we can develop resilience and reduce our fear. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, you might imagine tripping over a cable, forgetting your speech, and being laughed at by the audience. By confronting your fears in your mind, you can become less fearful in reality. Journaling. Journaling can provide a valuable outlet for understanding and managing our emotions. By writing down our thoughts and feelings, we can gain clarity and perspective. Journaling can also help us identify patterns of negative thinking and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Fourth step: cultivating resilience. Stoic perspective. The Stoics believe that virtue is the key to a good life. By cultivating virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, we can develop resilience and overcome fear and anxiety. Wisdom involves understanding the nature of reality and our place in it. Courage is the ability to face challenges with fortitude. Justice involves treating others fairly and equitably. Temperance is the practice of moderation and self-control. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for overcoming fear. By training our minds and bodies to resist negative impulses, we can strengthen our resolve. This might involve practicing mindfulness meditation, engaging in regular exercise, or setting and achieving goals. Gratitude practice. Gratitude practice can shift our focus away from negative thoughts and cultivate a sense of contentment. By appreciating the good things in our lives, we can reduce anxiety and increase our overall well-being. This might involve keeping a gratitude journal, expressing gratitude to others, or simply taking a moment each day to appreciate the beauty around us. By understanding the nature of fear and anxiety, challenging our perceptions, and cultivating resilience, we can break free from the chains of these debilitating emotions. Remember, overcoming fear and anxiety is a journey, not a destination. With practice and perseverance, we can develop the tools and mindset needed to face challenges with courage and confidence. So, take the first step today and start your journey toward a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Remember, you have the power to overcome fear and anxiety. Believe in yourself, practice Stoic principles, and embrace the challenges that come your way.